Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a content plan on social media. Quick note before we get started, today's tutorial video is sponsored by SEMrush. I'll tell you more about how it can help you in just a bit. And now let's dive in. First, you'll have to navigate to SEMrush website, then log in into your account, and after that, you will see here this homepage. Now you'll have to navigate to social media, then social content AI. And this is our necessary tool to get all the job done today. You can also click on the link down below in the description and you will get directly to this page. Once you get to social content AI, you will have to enter your website domain right here, and down below you will have to enter a brief description of your business. Additionally, select a desired local to define the source of news and the language of the generated content. The description should be accurate and describing exactly what your service or website offer so that it can help you get ideas that are related to your content. And anytime if you want to change the description, you can simply go to generated content, then click on edit business description, and anytime you can change the website domain and the brief description, and of course the local right here. And once you finish, click on update description. And make sure to check this box before you click on update, just in order to replace previous ideas and news. The tool will analyze your input and produce a range of ideas separated into different topics. Above the list of ideas, you will find the top news by category widget. At any section of these news, you can click on view more to see more and more ideas in this section. And if you feel that any one of these topics is more relevant, you can click on read, then it will redirect you to an article that contains all data about the topic. So in fact, this is going to be the source and the reference of the topic. If you think that this topic is relevant, when you click on generate, you will be able to create a social media post that can be uploaded on any one of these platforms. You can choose between processing the article in the recap or in the intro, specify tone of voice. You have friendly, informative, humorous, empathetic, inspiring, and professional. Plus, you can specify the post type. Is it announcement, poll, question, promo, guide, story, or behind the scenes? But let's choose guide right now. You can also choose between using the business description or not. If you prefer any one of these platforms, you can choose one of them or even multiple choices, but this step is optional. Once you finish, click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds, it will preview how your post is gonna look like. You can rephrase it by clicking on this button, expand it, shorten, or even do your own edits by clicking on edit text and have full access to do whatever you need. You can even regenerate it by clicking on generate again. And down below, you will find these two options, change tone voice. If you changed your mind and want to change the tone voice, and you can do the same for the post type. I will choose now announcement and see how it looks like. And in each section, it will show you exactly what you have done to this new post generated. So here it tells me that I only changed the type to announcement. On the top here also it shows me that I changed the tone to inspiring. You can add hashtags so you can use them to boost your content reach, or even if you want to add them to the keywords as in a YouTube video, for example. And down below here it tells you that you have only 3 hashtags selected. So you need to select the desired hashtags before you click on send. In addition to that, you can add a design. Once you click on design, it will show all the options that you can use, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And when you click on add image, you will be able to generate some images by using the AI that can be posted on these platforms. You'll just have to choose the aspect ratio, then choose the style of your photo. Here in my case, I'll choose the pop style. It will give you 4 options of photos. You can choose between them. And if you want to view it in full screen, just click on this option. Now you can see the whole picture. And anytime if you want to change the style, just click on restyle button and choose different style. You can change the aspect ratio or even click on generate again to change the photos. Now once you are satisfied with the results, you can click on save content or send to poster. But before you click on send to poster, you need to know which one of these articles and photos are selected in your post. Down below in each article or each photo, you will find this box. This means that this content is selected and will be posted when you click on send to poster. So this image is selected, this article is selected, and this image also is selected. But when we go up here, all these articles are not selected because you have this option right here. And when you click on this option, it will select this option and add it to your post. But you need to know that this article, when you choose it, it will deselect the other article right here. So let me show you an example. When I select this one will be deselected. When I select this one will be deselected, just in order to avoid any replications. But this is not what happens with the images, because of course you will not select the same photo twice. So here we have this photo selected and this photo selected also. Now, if you want to go to any saved content that you have generated before, you just have to go back to this section in the social content AI tool, then click on generated content. Then here you will find the post that you have saved, and you can post it anytime. Now I will try to send the post, and you can choose between posting the video now or even schedule the video to be posted in a specific date and on a specific time. You can also add some custom times by clicking on add time right here and choose exactly the date and the time. If you want to delete any one of them, just click on this trash bin icon. And from this section, you can even upload an image from your personal computer, add emojis, GIFs, add tags, or add tracking parameters. You'll just have to enter the campaign name and the campaign medium, then click on auto campaign source, and finally click on apply. When you select the AI assistant, you can even create texts, add hashtags. Just click on generate, then it will add some hashtags to your own post. Just click on insert the hashtags after you select them, and it will be added directly to the post. So even after you click on send to post, you can do the same modifications and have the same options like creating visuals, like the design right here. I will choose any one of these designs, then click on generate, and you can even add a video design to your post. So here it created this small video. You can simply go and click on edit and do some edits to the text. You can change the type of the text by just selecting it, then choose here the type of the text and choose any one of these options. You can also change the text style by clicking on text right here, then choose the specific style that you need. You can delete it by clicking on the delete button on your keyboard, or simply click on the delete icon on the top right corner. You can animate the text. Here you will find some options. You can add a specific background or upload some icons or videos from your own computer. You can also add objects, and if you want to search for a specific thing, just go to the search bar and search for it like this. So its interface is user-friendly and simple, and once you finish the video, just click on save. And after you save it, you can simply click on insert into post to add it right here. And even after adding anything to your post, you can delete it simply by hovering over it, then click on the trash icon. A good thing is that you can save it as draft again if you changed your mind and do not want to post it right now. And you can make it scheduled and click on this option right here, post needs approval. Just check it, then click on grab the secret link. And by this way, the post will not be published until it is approved. And the people with you or the customers can only approve the post via a secret link right here. Finally, before you post your content, you can choose to add more than one platform, so you can post the same content on all of your social media platforms with just one click. You'll have to choose the platform and connect it with your own email to your social media page. And once you finish, just click on post. And the approach that we have done on this topic right here in the news section, you can do the same steps for it in the ideas. And if you want to add something manually, you can hover over this option or this option, whether you are trying to add a category to your top news. So I will add news about AI content. Click on find news and voila. And here you are. You have a news section about AI content. You can do the same thing for topics. Click on add topic, write the title, and find ideas. And if you want to get more and more ideas in this section, click on get more ideas and it will generate more and more topics. And if you want to delete any one of them, just hover over it and click on the delete button right here. And finally, instead of choosing any one of these topics or ideas right here, you can go to generate content and choose which type of content you need. and choose whether you want the content from scratch, link based, or hashtags, and you have the same options that we have discussed before. So when you just click on from scratch, you can now write what you need to talk about in your post. Then do the same steps as we mentioned in the beginning. So this is a game-changing tool that uses AI to help you manage and create unique social media content for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, Pinterest, and TikTok. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.